Hi everybody! I hope you're having a fabulous day so far. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my wash and go routine. But first, if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and also please hit the notification button so that you'll know when I upload videos. Now without further ado, if you're interested in how I got this look for curly hair, then keep on watching. So I already went in with the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. I already applied that to my hair in the shower while it was soaking wet. Now I'm going to go in with Which I Love Your Hair spray and just put this all over my hair. This has great essential oils in it. It helps the frizz and just lock in some moisture. Making sure I'm getting it all the way through, and I'm going to scrunch, but you don't want to scrunch with your thumbs. When you use your thumbs, you're actually going to cause frizz and friction. So as you can see, I am not using my thumbs, I'm leaving them out so I can just kind of pulse my hair as I scrunch. I'm going to go in with some more product to use on the other side. And same process again. Just going to make sure I cover the whole part of that section of my hair. Then I'm going in and scrunching, doing a pulse scrunch method without my thumbs. Same thing, continue to scrunch that product right in. Now I'm going to go in with the Bounce Curl. This is a light cream gel. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love this product. It really helps to define my curls, and I believe this is another reason why I get those nice coils back into my hair. So I'm just using that about a quarter size. And then the same thing again, I'm going to glide it over my hair, and then I'm going to do the add a little bit more, about that much. And this is now again going to go over the top of my hair, so my crown area, because that's where I tend to get the most frizz, and in the back area as well, because I get frizz back there. And I'm going to glide it over, and I'm going to flip my head over and do the same and coat the underneath of my hair to make sure it is covered and coated from front to back and side to side. And then continuing to do my pulse scrunch method and remembering to leave the thumbs out. That's a game changer, ladies and gentlemen. It really does help make a difference. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And I am still hearing the squishy sound in my hair, by the way. So my hair is still really, really wet while I'm applying these products. pulsing scrunching method where I'm leaving my thumbs out of it. And now I'm just putting my hands flat against my head with a towel on the top of my crown, and then flipping over to continue to get that moisture, excess moisture out from my scalp. And it's just a hand open kind of method there. So just pushing it against my hair and then continue to scrunch. And now that my hair is diffused, we're gonna go in with the pick and we're gonna give it more volume. So I'm gonna flip my head upside down and we're just gonna take the pick right at the roots. So I'm gonna go in and then pull it right back out the same direction that I applied the pick. So you gotta be very careful that you don't cause friction. So you don't wanna go in and up or out. So you just wanna go in the same direction and then pull it right back out the same direction, as you can see what I'm doing there. I'm going from side to side and just trying to get some more volume into my hair. Since my hair is thin, this definitely helps me to get more volume in it.